Hi guys, welcome to Gadget Bridge, and this is the quick unboxing video of the OnePlus 12. Let's go. So that's the OnePlus 12 box, Hasselblad branding. The first thing inside the box is the cardboard case you get. The case in some reading material, safety guide information, and of course the SIM ejector tool. The next layer has the smartphone itself. The next layer has the super fast charging brick, and of course the USB Type-C red cable is also part of the box. In front you get a large touchscreen. The screen protector is already on the touchscreen. The camera is on top in a cutout. You get a ringer key on the left. You get volume rocker key on top. Under that you get the power button as well, and in display fingerprint sensor as well. At the bottom you get the primary microphone, USB Type-C charging port, speaker grill, and of course the SIM tray. The rear is beautiful. On the front you get a 6.82 inches AMOLED display. This is a full HD plus display. It has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on top of it. The top end variant can be bought for $69,999.